Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics, for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. The next question is quite a standard trigonometric question. For 0 less than x less than 2 pi, 0 grid, cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x plus cos 4x is equal to 0. This is what we want, right? So what we can do is we can use the identity cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and it would be nicer if we applied the identity between the first and the last and the second and the third, because that gives me 2 cos 5x by 2 cos 3x by 2 plus 2 cos 5x by 2 cos 4x by 2 is equal to 0. Now we can take 2 cos of 5x by 2 is equal to into cos 3x by 2 plus cos this is 2x plus 3x, 2x minus 3x, x by 2, sorry. 1 plus 4, 5, 4 minus 1, 3. Yeah, this is the correct equation. So cos 3x by 2 plus cos x by 2. Now we can apply the same identity again. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So it will be 2 cos of 3x by 2 plus x by 2 is 4x by 2 divided by 2 is 4x by 4, or 2x. Cos of 3x by 2 minus 2x by 2 is x. So this will be x and this will be x by 2. The sum of these two is 4x by 2, which is 2x, half of that is x. Difference is 2x by 2 and half of that is x by 2. This is equal to 0. So we get the equations: cos of x by 2 is 0, cos x is 0, cos 5x by 2 is 0. This gives me x by 2 is equal to pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, and what we need is all values of x should be between 0 and 2 pi. So this gives me x is pi and 3 pi, but 3 pi will not count, so x is equal to pi, because 3 pi is not between the range 0 to 2 pi. Cos x is equal to 0 gives me x is equal to pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, which means obviously both are correct, pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. This gives me 5x by 2 is equal to pi by 2. It could be 3 pi by 2, it could be 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, and so on, which means we'll just multiply by 2 by 5. So x is equal to pi by 5, 3 pi by 5, 5 pi by 5, which is pi, 7 pi by 5, 9 pi by 5, and we won't include 11 pi by 5 because that exceeds 2 pi, right? So how many independent solutions do we have? This pi is already included here, so we don't need to include that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2. So we get a total of 7 solutions to this equation. So 7 solutions means the answer is option 3, which is 7. This completes the solutions. Thank you.